Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the pound yen. Right, there's sort of an interesting configuration. Now, the last time I did the pound yen, sometime last week, I mentioned that on the daily, pound yen made a low here and made a push up here. Right, and last week we were somewhere about here, right? And I said that pound yen could very well be testing the 7860 retracement. Okay, let me just open up all the Fibonacci ratios. All right, so we have pound yen testing the 7640 level. Okay, so now that pound yen tested the 7640 level once and twice, okay, we can expect there's a possibility that pound yen might test it the third time before taking off, or pound yen could very well just do a zigzag and go even higher. All right, so there's definitely a clear support level here. Okay, so I just want to take this close here, all right? Just this close here. Okay, so we call this the daily support. Give me a moment. Okay. Okay, so this is the daily support. Now another thing that I see is if I were to connect these lows, okay, 1, 2, 3, right? Just draw a line across. Okay, price could very well just tap this line. Okay, tap this line here and then take off. Okay, so for that, let's go down to the lower time frame. Okay, let's go down to the lower time frame. Now we're on the 4 hours. Okay, we see that price does sort of this rounded thing and then move sideways before going higher. Okay, but graphically speaking, we actually have a nice support turn resistance level here. Okay, let me just put this resistance on 4 hour. Okay, so the support here, when price broke, it became a resistance, right? So as I mentioned on the daily, price could very well come back down to test the daily support before making a bounce even higher, right? But you see that there's all these tops, okay? Let me just zoom in so it's clearer to see. Let me tidy this up as well. Okay, so we want to focus on here, right? Price actually made a sharp push up. Okay, so we can actually use Fibonacci ratio from the low. Okay, from the low to the high, open up all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, we see that 61.8 is actually over here, right? So let's highlight the 61.8. Okay, these key levels. All right, not so much the 78.6. All right, so so why I think price may actually come back down to this level, okay, this 61.8, is because this is a graphical overlap. Okay, if I were to draw a support line, okay, somewhere over here, okay, we see that price, and even if I were to extend it further back, okay, we see that price actually held here. There was a red supply demand candle here, came up, tested multiple times before it broke, and tested from the other side. So if it comes back up and it comes back down, it could test this level multiple times as well. Okay, so we do have a 4-hour support over here. All right, now further, we see all these tops that price is making, right? If we were to connect all these tops, okay, something like that. All right, even in close, if I were to put it in close, okay, we see something like that. Price could very well just come down, test this line, okay, extend a bit, okay, take out the stops and then continue higher, right? So this is what I think price could do. Okay, it will go above, it will go at least to the 4-hour resistance. Breaking above it, it will go to the negative 27. Okay, at least the negative 27. All right. Now this negative 27 is significant as well. Okay, because you see this zigzag. Okay, you can use this zigzag. You can also take a retracement from this high to this low. So let's try both of it. Okay, the extension first, 0.1, 2, 3. Here we see a negative 27 is actually quite close to the 100% extension. Okay, that's one. Secondly, we take a retracement from the high to the low. We see the negative 27 is actually right at the 61.8 retracement level. Okay, so this is the second key target, right? So I will have two take profits. Okay, one take profit here and another take profit here, which is a 4-hour resistance. All right, and this 4-hour level will actually be my buy entry. Okay, so the question then will be, where will my stop loss be? Okay, so the buy entry will be somewhere over here, all the way up to the final take profit. Okay, I firmly believe that this could very well be a zone. Okay, only because of this descending trend line pullback level. Okay, so where will my stop loss be? Very simple. My stop loss will be outside of the market structure. So market actually forms a structure here. All right. So I will actually put my stop at the daily level. Okay. So this becomes my stop loss. All right. The risk reward for this trade is not very great. But this is an intraday trade. Okay. So I'm just going to wait to see how it develops around this entry area as well. All right. So last thing we can do before we finish off with the analysis is to actually look at indicators. Right. Okay, so I like to use the arbitrary number of 21 because it's a Fibonacci number. So we see that price is actually holding above 21, and further, MACD looks to be crossing above 0, showing that there's an increase in bullish momentum. All right, so technical indicators are confirming a bullish push. All right, so now I'm just waiting for a pullback to enter before going long. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's analysis for Pound Yen. Hope you guys learned something and have a great day ahead. Catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.